As of October 2025, managing your Tesco Clubcard is primarily done through the Tesco mobile app, available on iOS and Android. First, download and log in to the Tesco app. You'll need an active Tesco account with a verified email or phone number. Navigate to the Clubcard tab at the bottom of the app. Select Manage Clubcard, then choose Order a new card or replace card. Choose a digital card for instant activation or physical card mailed to your address within 3 to 5 working days with free postage. The app incorporates biometric authentication for enhanced security during ordering. Digital Clubcard adoption has surged to 65% of active members as of September 2025, driven by convenience and security. The Tesco app supports both digital and physical Clubcard options. A digital Clubcard is a virtual card stored in the app, allowing you to earn points on in-app purchases, Tesco.com orders, and in-store scans using a QR code. No physical card needed. A physical Clubcard is a traditional plastic card for in-store use. The shift towards digital loyalty is a growing trend, aligning with the UK's high smartphone penetration. Digital Clubcards reduce operational costs for Tesco and support sustainability by cutting plastic waste. They also seamlessly integrate with Tesco bank accounts for points redemption. As of 2025, over 90% of Clubcard transactions are processed digitally through the app or linked wallets. User reviews highlight the ease of ordering and instant point accumulation with the digital option.